very, very severe storm headed this way. I can't find my camera charger. Here comes the rain. Do what Monday? Yay! Holy crap, that was right overhead. Raining right now. Oh yeah. Holy crap. This is crazy. That was a good one. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh crap, that was loud. Man, it sounded literally like a bass drum just hit the sky. Oh wow! Right there. I want to see if I caught that with my camera on my iPod. It's lightning all around me right now. See it like that? It sounds like a freaking Tiffany drum. This is awesome. Woo! I'm keeping it up, guys, to see if I can get some lightning shots. Oh, whoa, whoa! Holy crap, that's gonna be loud. Buddy, what are you doing here? Buddy, don't not hit my camera. Holy crap. They had a major lightning strike. And my neighbor's cat is here with me. Oh, it's coming. Oh my gosh, this is great. Getting some nice thunderstorm shots. Holy shoot! I'm going in. Buddy, are you okay?